Good morning students, welcome back. We have completed our warm-up exercise of English lesson number 5, the Rangoli. Today I will be explaining you the first part of the lesson. Come to page number 51. Let's start. Read. Students, you have to listen carefully. Nobody seemed to want Akhil around. Dadi had just shooed him out of the kitchen and now Mummy wanted him out of the way of her cleaning. Everybody was busy getting ready for Diwali. So, what occasion is going on? क्या आने वाली है? दिवाली आने वाली है. And who is the boy here? Akhil. Now what did Dadi do? She had shooed him out. Shooed means उसे बोल दिया जाओ जाओ बाहर जाओ. Dadi had just shooed him out of the kitchen. And Mummy, what she is doing? She is doing the cleaning work. And what she said? Akhil, just go out of the home. I wish there was something I could do, mobbed Akhil. Now what is the meaning of mobbed? Spent time doing nothing and felt sorry for himself. Now what Akhil is saying? I wish that I could also have something to do. Mummy said, Akhil, why don't you do the Rangoli this year? Now what did Mummy said? Akhil, why don't you make some Rangoli? But he said doubtfully, I have never done it before. What is Akhil saying? मैंने तो ये कभी नहीं किया. I had never done it before. There is always a first time. I am sure you will be able to do it. And encouraged his mother. Now mother what she is doing? Every work we do first time. है कि नहीं? हम कोई भी new काम start किए तो क्या हो जाएगा? It is the first time. So what she said? Yes, there is always a first time. You should go and try. What design shall I make? Wondered Akhil. Now Akhil is thinking about it, about drawing a rangoli. So what he is thinking? What should I make, Mummy? He chose the same spot where his mother drew the rangoli every year, right outside the front door. He settled down with the steel tray full of little packets of red, orange, yellow, green and white colors. He sat on the floor thinking of what to make. A diya. Yes, that would be the most appropriate design for Diwali. He began tracing the outline on the floor. So, what did mother said? You should try. And now Akhil is thinking what he should draw. And what he did? He just went out of the home where the mother usually draw. मम्मी जहाँ बनाती थी रंगोली हर साल, वहीं पे अखिल ने रंगोली बनाने का डिसाइड किया है. So what did Akhil decided? He chose the same spot where his mother used to do rangoli for every year. So he just settled down and he was thinking, what should I do? What should be the design for the rangoli? And suddenly he thought of the lamp, that is diya. Can I help you? Asked a small voice. And suddenly किसकी voice आई? किसी girl की voice आई. She said, can I help you? Akhil looked up. Mumtaz, his neighbor. Now who is the girl? Mumtaz was standing in the doorway. He hesitated as he did not know her very well. Before Akhil could answer, Mumtaz sat down, began dipping her fingers into the powders. And Akhil, was he knowing him? So, Akhil पहचानता था क्या मुमताज़ को? Was Mumtaz was a friend? No. Mumtaz friend भी नहीं थी. She was just a neighbor. As Akhil used to answer before the Mumtaz, she sat down and started playing with rangoli powders. I like doing that too, said Akhil. He added, come, you make your design that side. I am making a diya here. Now what did Akhil said? Yes, I am doing it for the first time also. And you can also make. मैं यहाँ पर दिया बना रहा हूँ. And on the next side, you make something new. Students, turn your page. Page number 52. Mumtaz nodded. Both the children worked in silence for some time. Then, what did Mumtaz do? She nodded okay. And they all started drawing rangoli. Why don't you ever come to play with us in the park? Akhil asked as he filled the outline of the flame with orange powder. Now Akhil and Mumtaz, they are talking. What did Akhil said? Why don't you ever come to play with us in the park? हमारे साथ खेलने क्यों नहीं आती? At what time? When he was filling up the rangoli with his orange powder. Ammi says the other children might not like that, replied Mumtaz without lifting her head. Now what did Mumtaz said? Ammi. What do you mean by Ammi? Ammi is a mother, right? Ammi को क्या बोलते हैं? Mother. So what she said? My mother says that might other children would not like. Akhil felt embarrassed. What do you mean by embarrassed? Shy. Akhil felt shy. He did not know what to say. Finally he asked, why is that so? So what did finally Akhil said? ऐसा क्यों? Why is that so? Ammi says, it is because we are of a different religion, said Mumtaz. Now what Mumtaz is saying? That we are of different religion. That's why her mother, she says not to go for playing out. Might be children would not like you. I would love to play with you. I like you, said Akhil. Now what Akhil is saying? Okay, I will play with you. I like you. Mumtaz did not say anything. She just smiled shyly at him. There, how does that look? She asked. Now, what Mumtaz is saying? Did Mumtaz reply to Akhil? No. Akhil के बात को कोई reply नहीं दिया. And she said, look at this, how it is looking. It is beautiful, exclaimed Akhil, admiring the design. Now what did Akhil say? Yes, it's really very beautiful. Mumtaz had made a castle with domes. It is Aladdin's castle, she said. Now what she said, Mumtaz? I had drawn a castle. What do you mean by castle? राजमहल होता है ना स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे बड़ा सा महल, that is called as castle. So what she said, ये अलादीन का castle है. I had made a castle with rangoli. Okay students, so here we are stopping up with our lesson, and in the next video I will be explaining you the remaining part. Till that you have to read up to here. It's Aladdin's castle, she said. Okay, आपको यहाँ तक story read करनी है. The remaining lesson I will be explaining you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.